Sanibonani, ngiyanibingelela. Indofasa ukuthi TV la siphethe ipost kaMduduzi Ncube okade esebenza noBig Zulu under ikhampani Inkabi Records, Inkabi Nation, ikhampani ephethe abantu abanjengobani, ngoLwandlunkulu, abantu abanjengo Siya Ntuli, osanda khipha ingoma lapha ehambisana noKhuzani ithi impilo yami ngeshisa ngiyikhotha for the past 2 or 3 days. Right, uMduduzi-ke Ncube wakhipha ingoma noMthandeni ethi Moqondana nge-28 zikaMeyi. Right-ke sidluleke lapho-ke. Kuneposti ayibhalile kuMduduzi njengoba nazi ukuthi yena uphume under Inkabi Records, kunokukhuluma olokhu kuvela kubalandeli, kuvela abathandi baka-Big Zulu, kubathandi bakhe uMduduzi Ncube. So kunama-side ahlukene akhona. Maybe-ke uMduduzi uzosikhanyisela ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ithini iposti yakhe? Ithi kuyosizapho ukukhuluma iside lami because nemali ye-DX yami angiyazi or ngeke ngimyeke and ave kubuhlungu ukusebenzela imali ongayiboni noma ovele uphucwe yona nje, and the list goes on. But for your sake family, I have to write this even if it's not for my written. Ngiyalivuma igama lexoki kodwa futhi kumele ngichaze ngisebenzile khona ekhaya elikhulu, and I appreciate the exposure, love and all the support abayifakile ekukhuliseni igama lami likaMduduzi Ncube. Ngiyabonga njalo futhi kumfokanena ubhuti omdala uBig Zulu for ukungipha amandla nokukholela kwithalente lami, into ebe yingxenye yengxabano nongabona solinye imali. Angifisi ukugxila kakhulu kulokho kodwa kuzomele ivele ibe sobala. Ngilimele kakhulu kodwa akekho ozobona cause I smile and brush it off. Futhi ngumuntu wabantu, so each and everyone engihlala naye kumele azwe uthando nentokomalo ngoba yena usuke ejabulela ukungibona. So with that being said, I had to go to one of the good podcasts since I do not have any power for a radio interview. Kulapho-ke ngizonichazela ukuthi what transpired ukuze ngiphume eNkabi Record, but ingxabano enkulu was about money and loyalty. I will be posting the interview very soon. Right-ke seliyaqhuma-ke ithumbu-ke njengoba abantu abaningi bayakhuluma lapha ku-TikTok naku-YouTube-ke naku-Facebook kakhulu bekhomenta. Abantu abaningi babebona ukuthi mhlawumbe lingenzeka ikhonto ekhona abangaboni ngasolinye kuyona. Right, kunama-comment ambalwa akavelile laphana anjengosimomoza ubhekene Uyinsiza uthi ngiyayisapota kakhulu eyokugonyuluka. Kuvele bafowethu bekuzofika lapho kugonyuluka khona, so bengingageji ubani lo Sharon laphana, omunye abalandeli bakaMaskana balaphana bathanda ukubhoka abanganasikhathi. Uthini uSharon? Uthi what was the deal Mduduzi? Yayithi uma unengoma enkulu uthola imali eningi. uSanlentazi enye yama-content creators lapha ene-content hamba phambili ku-Facebook naku-TikTok, cishe nje WhatsApp. Uthi yena uSanele kunzima. So uTrippy Scott RSA uthi relax bro, we all know that if an artist leaves or wants to go solo, they'll always drag the company or their boss's name down anyway. We are waiting for that interview. We'll hear your side of the story. Khulekani Andrew Sinqanda uthi I like the fact that you acknowledge the support and love, but you have to fight for what you deserve because you also have family to feed, and akukho lula ukubhala ini-ke ingoma. Uma eqhubeka ama-comment ubalo uwampho uthini must also include your contract, kanti wena what did you agree on? uZakaria Abuza uthi what good is it to talk about my side because I don't know what my dear ex's money, or I won't let it go, or it has to work for money that you don't see and that you just took away. The list goes on. But for your family's sake, I have to write this even if it's not for my return. I accept the name of Xogi, but I also have to explain that I work there in a big house. Iqhubekeke lento-ke shuthi-ke utranslator-ke into ebhaliwe laphana iposti-ke yakhe kuMduduzi, angazi ukuthi what is the reason behind that. Ubani lo usizwe Dubandlela uthi pain went straight to Papa Peni. Yabona-ke ziyakhala-ke manje. Ubani uNomvuyo dala sente leyinkosi Shamasa. Sento leyinkosi Shamasa. Uthi sometimes you just have to respect the man that made you so you and lend a helping hand to be where you are. Enough respect by just walking away. He risks helping you out when no one cares. Disagreements are always there, but Ncube is okay to start afresh. Inkabi stooped up for you. Protect your relationship because of that. Yes, it is okay to go different routes with respect. Asho njalo ama-comment ashaya ngolimi lukaJojic. I hope and I know ukuthi no-understandile right. Akusho lapho Mduduzi uthi nakuningi asazokukhuluma kodwa-ke akusizi ukuthi-ke kuyosiza ukuthi akhulume isayidi lakhe ngoba imali yani yengoma ethi Dear Ex yami ethi ngeke kimiyeke akayitholanga. Kodwa-ke okuningi uzokuveza laphana kwi-podcast. Asazi ukuthi yona yiphi le podcast-ke ezomnika ithuba lokuthi asikhulumele. Right. It means-ke bafowethu-ke uJumbo naye unenkinga efanayo laphana noLungelo Hlongwane, yabo. So bonke abantu abasebenzayo shuthi kuzoba nenkinga. Nabanye phambilini bebeney'nkinga ey'cishe ey'fana. Kahle kahle ngenxa yokuthi ibhizinisi asiyazi thina siyibuka ngaphandle. Yini iyenzakala lapha? uDJ Maphorisa nabo kunabaculi abaningi uthola ukuthi yena banenkinga lapha. uNotha naye ukuba nama-challenges nabantu abaningi. Kahle kahle yini le laphayana-ke uma uphethe abantu osebenza nabo imali yakhona igcina ingasafiki. But abantu abane-understand ilokhu ngoku-understanda kwami nanokubuka kwami izinto. Uma usayine i-contract, uma ubuya lapho ubuya khona, i-company is taking a risk by giving you an opportunity to become i-part and parcel yabona i-record. So ukukufunela ini umsebenzi, ubafuna kanjani umsebenzi? Kumele bekuthole umuntu ozokuproducer, sometimes bakuthole i-writer or i-ghost writer, bakufunela i-manager, bakufunela umuntu i-road manager, izinto ey'njengalezo. Bakufunela ama-gig, bakufunela ama-interviews, ingoma yakho kumele beyiphushe online, bekhuluma nabantu abathize kwa-SABC nakwamanye ama-radio station la ngekho under SABC. Ingoma yakho kumele ifike lapha, kumele ifike kwa-DSTV, kuma-music platforms, laphana ku-online kumele bekhokhe cause kumele ingoma yakho iphusheke isheshe ifike kubantu. Yonke loo nto le, it takes money to make money. So uma usayine i-contract, izinto ey'njengalezi awuzungayinaka, awuzungayinothisa because usuke wena ujabulele ukunikeza i-opportunity and usuke ungenankinga uma usaqala ngoba usuke wazi ukuthi lento uzopopa soon and uzokhuphuka uzoya phambili. So umuntu-ke ngokuhamba isikhathile bese yabona ukuthi no, kahle kahle imali ayenzeki kahle kahle miningi iminyaka, yabona, and umuntu uyabhilivela ukuthi yena kumele abe ngithola imali engaka. Ihlupha lapho-ke lento ukuthi yena ube umculi kahle kahle u-businessman kuwo yena othola kakhulu because uku-investile, yabona. Ama-masters, umnikazi we-original, yabona, i-hard drive lapho kusuke kurekhoda yona, i-studio time, yonke leyo nto leyo, yabona, i-spreadsheet ukuthi yena ubani ushaya isiginci, ubani wenza le-beat, omunye wenza ama-drums, omunye wenza ama-backings, omunye wenza ama-vocals, yabona, omunye wayimixa yonke lento, omunye wayimasterisha, wayiproducer. The list goes on and on and on. So kuba kuningi bafethu, just that nathi umculo asikho deep but sazi nje okungaphezulu on the surface level. But-ke soyilindela-ke le podcast-ke yakhe uMduduzi Ncube esizwe ukuthi yena-ke ukhuluma ngani. But-ke uBig Zulu-ke angasabi kakhulu. Kukanjena-ke vele kwi-industry-ke akekho umuntu owa-run ibhizinisi enjengale engabi nayo inkinga. Even Ambitious Record biyaziwa ukuthi ibhadala kancane kanjani. Kodwa-ke ibisurvive endlela esurvive ngayo, nawo bebenendlela yabo yokurun ibhizinisi. Nayo iNkabi Records inendlela yokurun ibhizinisi. However, kuMduduzi sinethemba lokuthi yena khona kuzokwenzeka okuhle-ke along the way. Maybe-ke le nto le benza baphambane bebuyisane because definitely sure they're going to need each other endleleni. Industry yomculo incane kabi kakhulu bafethu, angeke. Sazohlangana kuma-gigs, sazohlangana emcimbini thizeni, kuma-interviews, kuma-radio station or kuma-TV, kuzohlangana. Kuyohlangana somewhere lapho kune-event or kune-function khona. So vele bazohlangana, and space se-industry sincane kakhulu. Injalo-ke nje ividiyo nje ngithanda ukuyibeka lapha-ke. Sibonge kodwa-ke ukuthi sithole ukuthi-ke yini esemqondweni Mduduzi Ncube, and futhi sinethemba lokuthi kodwa into yokugcina-ke ixazululekile ngoba thina sifisa ukubona abaculi bakithi bezwana. Ingabi bikho iy'xakaxaka. Bayayithanda-ke abantu izinto eziceleni-ke bayawathanda abantu amabhifu-ke cause bayazi bazokwenza amavidiyo, bazothatha amasayidi, bazolokhu befaka upetrol, lento lokhu ivutha-ke iya phambili, futhi ayilungiseki-ke. Injalo-ke indaba. Selahle.